Imagine an eye that senses the surroundings, a brain that can process the information, and a super bright variable power light source. Introducing Petzl's newest headlamp, the Now with reactive lighting technology. Beyond power, intelligence. The Now with reactive lighting technology is the first headlamp that instantly adjusts to provide the right amount of light for your needs. It automatically adapts to changing light conditions, reducing the need for manual adjustments and allowing you to focus on the activity at hand. And it allows for extended burn times by more efficiently using the power stored in its rechargeable battery. The key component of reactive lighting technology is the integrated light sensor. It analyzes the incoming light, and then a microprocessor adjusts the high-output LEDs to provide the right amount and right type of light, whether it's 7 or 355 lumens, wide or spot beam. These adjustments occur automatically and in real time. No manual adjustments are required. Say you're hiking at night in the woods. The Now with reactive lighting adjusts constantly to provide the right brightness and beam type for scanning the trail and keeping an eye out for obstacles. When you look down at your map, the Now automatically reduces the output to a diffuse proximity lighting level so you aren't blinded. As you look back out into the distance to get your bearings, the Now powers up and projects a bright spot beam, allowing you to see farther. All of this is done instantly and automatically so you can focus on the task at hand. As the Now constantly adjusts to provide the right amount of light at any given moment, it is using the energy stored in its rechargeable battery as efficiently as possible, never supplying too much or too little light. If you were to run the headlamp constantly on high, the burn time for a single charge would be like this. But with reactive lighting, light output varies to meet your needs. At any point during that time, you have access to the full range of light output from low to high. To get the most out of the Now, download the FreeOS by Petzl software to fine-tune brightness and burn times for specific activities. The Now, with reactive lighting, will change the way you move through the darkness. It's no longer simply about power, it's about using that power intelligently, providing the right amount of light when you need it. No more cycling through modes to have the right amount of light. No more managing power consumption manually. Just turn the headlamp on and go. You always have the right amount of light. The Now with reactive lighting. Beyond power, intelligence.